Hey Jason, this is Shannon with West Coast Connects. Wanted to shoot you over this quick little video to give you some tips and tricks that you can do in-house, and this will help bring in more business by just utilizing your website and your Google business profile. So taking a look at your site, I really like that you have a form submit button right here. I would also put your call button up towards the top too. That'll help with quick conversions. But you have a great picture here and you have some content. One thing with Google is they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a home page. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Google likes information, so in that content, you can strategically place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people are searching for it. Your pictures can be considered content as well, so I highly recommend saving those as a keyword. I went ahead and inserted your site into a tool that we utilize that just gives us a basic analytic view of your site. So one thing we look at is the UR and DR, which is the strength and trust you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. When it's on the lower end and you utilize some of these tips, it'll help boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 15 backlinks coming from 11 referring domains. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. These links act like an endorsement for your site from others. But not all backlinks are created equal. You definitely want quality versus quantity. And some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So go after the backlinks that are more authoritative and related to the niche that you're in. That's going to send power to your site and boost your strength. Currently, you guys are indexing for 114 keywords, and you're getting about 173 hits to your site a month. Taking a look at your keywords. Now there's national ranking and there's local buyer intent keywords. We aim for the local buyer intent keywords because these target the location and the service you provide in that location. As you can see, these top two, they're more national ranking keywords. But roofing Mansfield, roofing in Mansfield, those are all great keywords to have on your website. And those are the local buyer intent keywords. So in comparison, I just typed in roofer in your area to Google. And this is what we call the map pack or the map section. Down here is what we call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to aim to be in this map section. And that's because 30 to 40% of your traffic directly to your website or people giving a call will come from here. So currently you guys are number one. So if you utilize these tips, it'll help keep you at number one for this location. And you can also utilize them in various locations as well. So definitely make sure that you're getting good reviews consistently and responding to those reviews. Some companies, they forget to respond or they don't know to respond. Make sure your business name, address, number, and hours are the same all across the internet, whether it's on a Facebook page, Instagram, or even LinkedIn. And then in your Google business profile, you have this about section. It allows for 750 characters. Excuse me. You want to make sure that this is completely filled out and optimized with keywords. I also suggest posting branded and geotagged photos here weekly. And then there are citations. So citations are anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. These are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There's thousands of them out there. So you want to go out and give your information to as many people as possible. Google really is a huge popularity contest. And so I pulled up one of your competitors' sites. You can see they have some pictures and some content. Went ahead and inserted them into that same tool. As you can see, they have 146 backlinks. Ultimately, you want to match them and beat them by 100. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. Now remember, the more specific, the better. So roofing Mansfield, Ohio roofing. So these are some great examples of some keywords that you can definitely utilize on your site as well. Metal Roofing Ohio, 250 searches a month. Mansfield Roofing, 200 searches a month. Ohio Metal Roofing, 250 searches a month. So Jason, I hope you found this video to be very educational, and we definitely look forward to hearing your feedback. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.